So we're given that a baseball diamond consists of four bases, which are all 90 feet apart, and 90 feet rounds nicely to 27.34 meters. So this is the distance between each of the bases. So here's home plate, first base, second base, etc. And so we want to know how far is it from home plate, which we're going to say is here, to second base. And we're going to round our answer to the nearest centimeter. So what we're going to do is identify our hypotenuse and our right angle triangle. So there's our hypotenuse, and we're given the two legs. And so A is 27.34. B is also equal to 27.34. And so there's our right triangle, and we require the hypotenuse of the right triangle. And so our formula then is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. And we're going to sub in for a and b both being equal to 27.34. And we're going to solve that. And what we're going to do is take the square root of both sides. And so we're going to let our calculator do the work here. So what we're going to do is in our calculator put in the square root of 27.34 squared plus 27.34 squared. Now on the calculator, what we do is put in 27.34, square that, plus 27.34, and 27.34 squared is 747.4756. We could either multiply that to or add those two numbers together, and we get 1,494.9512. And remember that we have to take the square root of that number in order to solve for the hypotenuse. So we end up with 38. Now we have to round to two decimal places in order to get the answer to the nearest centimeter. So we have to look at the number after the second 6, which is a 4. So we're going to keep that 6. And so our answer is going to be 38.66. And our answer to the nearest centimeter is 38.66 meters, which means that the distance from home plate to second base is 38.66 meters, or another way we could say that, because remember there are 100 centimeters in every meter, so this is 38 meters and 66 centimeters. The 0.66 meters is 66 centimeters.